Okay, here is my super dirty air conditioner filter. You can see we have to clean it off. We're gonna vacuum all this off using my Jerk Devil Featherlite, aka the Breeze. And we're gonna use the hose. You already have it all plugged in and set up. We're all ready to go, so without further ado, let's clean this off. Oh, I'm gonna use the crevice tool. So let's vacuum my very dirty air conditioner filter. We're gonna clean this. We're gonna make it nice and clean. Here we go. Look at how powerful this vacuum is. Look at that. Look at the other side too. That's just what I like to do. This side again one more time, make sure it's nice and clean. Look at that. So yeah, look at my air conditioner filter now. Look how much cleaner it is. I swear to God, this vacuum right here is a powerful bitch. This thing is powerful. Like, it sucked up all this hair on here like immediately. This thing has the most powerful suction out of my other vacuum cleaners. This thing is literally the king of my vacuums. This thing is super powerful. In case you didn't see it, that's everything we just sucked up right in there. See all that hair? That is what we just sucked up. It came out of this thing right here, my air conditioner filter. We just sucked up all of that hair there. That's a lot. That is a lot. So now we're going to dump this out, and we're going to put it back on the vacuum. But yeah, so you can see how much cleaner this looks now after we cleaned it. It looks a whole lot better. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this video, and hopefully you have an awesome rest of your day. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on whenever I make a video. And I hope you all have a great day, folks, and we'll see you later.